Hello, chess enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of chess with 15 mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed. So, grab your favorite piece and let's explore. Fact 1. Origins of chess. Did you know that chess originated over 1500 years ago in India? Initially called chaturanga, it was a strategic war game played by 4 players representing different branches of the army. Fact 2. The grandmaster of grandmasters. Garry Kasparov, often hailed as the greatest chess player of all time, achieved the highest ELO rating ever recorded in 1999 with a whopping 2,851. Fact 3. Queen's power evolution. In the early days of chess, the queen could only move one square diagonally. It wasn't until the 15th century that the queen gained its omnipotent power to move any number of squares diagonally, horizontally, or vertically. Fact 4. The immortal game. One of the most famous chess games of all time is the immortal game played in 1851 between Adolf Anderssen and Lionel Kieseritzky. It features stunning sacrifices and a breathtaking checkmate. Fact 5. The longest possible game. Believe it or not, the longest possible chess game is 5,949 moves. This theoretical limit is due to the 50-move rule, where a draw can be claimed if no pawn is moved and no piece is captured within 50 consecutive moves. Fact 6. The most played opening. The most popular opening move in chess is e4, accounting for over half of all games played at the master level. It's known for its aggressive nature and immediate control of the center. Fact 7. Chessboxing. Chessboxing is a hybrid sport that combines chess and boxing, where competitors alternate between rounds of chess and rounds of boxing. It tests both mental and physical prowess. Fact 8. The Chess World Championship. The first official chess world championship took place in 1886, with Wilhelm Steinitz emerging as the victor. Since then, the championship has become the ultimate battleground for the world's top players. Fact 9. The most draws. In 1989, Anatoly Karpov and Garry Kasparov faced off in their second World Chess Championship match. Out of the 24 games played, a staggering 17 ended in draws, making it the match with the most draws in chess history. Fact 10. The Queen's Gambit effect. After the release of the Netflix series The Queen's Gambit in 2020, interest in chess surged worldwide. Sales of chess sets skyrocketed, and online chess platforms experienced record-breaking numbers of new players. Fact 11. The chessboard's 64 squares. Ever wonder why a chessboard has 64 squares? It's believed to be symbolic, representing the 64 squares on a battlefield from ancient Indian warfare. Fact 12. The King's Journey. In the earliest versions of chess, the king was known as the vizier and could only move one square diagonally. Over time, the king's movement evolved to its current ability to move one square in any direction. Fact 13. The power of pawns. Despite being the smallest and least powerful pieces on the board, pawns play a crucial role in chess. They are the only pieces that cannot move backward, symbolizing the relentless march of foot soldiers on the battlefield. Fact 14. The Chess Olympiad. The Chess Olympiad is a biennial team event where players from around the world compete for their countries. It's one of the most prestigious and anticipated events in the chess world. Fact 15. Chess in space. In 1970, the Soviet Union and the United States made history by playing the first ever game of chess in space. Cosmonauts aboard the Soyuz 9 spacecraft faced off against ground control in a unique zero-gravity match. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about chess that showcase its rich history, complexity, and enduring appeal. Whether you're a seasoned grandmaster or just learning the game, there's always something new to discover in the world of chess. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep strategizing.